Say something if you want to. You want to say something, Andy?
Hi. Oh, I have to walk through. Okay, Hudson.
Hello.
It's scary. It's a little close for my liking.
What's the highlight of your camping experience so far?
The highlight has been seeing my boys have fun and play in the water. Laying out at the pool was nice. Bedtime will be good. Not for me, for the boys. Is that your little video clippage?
Yeah.
I see they're having a fire down here. Is that?
Oh yeah, they are. Ooh, I wonder if we could do that. That